Minnesota at 5:44 a.m. on December 2nd, 2020, effective until 5:59 a.m. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This test is from Minnesota BCA.